Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you want to take toothbrushing and make it feel fancy, then you have to check out these manual toothbrushes from Nano-b. They have a beautiful crystal handle and a awesome brush head. The brush head itself is made of charcoal and gold bristles, and they are a nice, soft, medium firmness. What I really like about it is it has a little bit more of a rounder tip, and the bristles have that double layer which allow it to really reach in to all of those hard to reach places. The toothbrush itself is lightweight and the handle has a nice grip to it. It's really nice and easy to use to get those just nice small circles to really get a good clean in my mouth. The set comes in a pack of 4, and each of the crystal handles all has a different color. So blue, green, pink, and clear. So everybody in our house gets their favorite color. I personally love that these also come with a nice traveling case. This case has a nice secure screw on top, and I know that my toothbrush is staying nice and sanitary as it travels along with me. So if you're looking for a toothbrush that is super effective at cleaning those hard to reach places and feels good as you're brushing your teeth too, then I would definitely check out these Nano-b toothbrushes. And that's just our point of view.